I'm so excited.
Use the...
This is just the cage.
Yeah.
Careful yung hands mo, ah.
Pahiga mo siya. Muna.
Yan, ganyan. Yan, ganyan mo open.
Tsura ng isa. Excited.
Where's the scissor, kuya?
Use it. Baka bukas pa yung mabukasan. Use the scissor.
It's a cage. Kanino tong cage? Pusa. This is mine. I'm gonna cut the carpet. Go.
Check.
Adto na. Why like that? Kaya here. Dito natin siya lalabas. Dito. Dito na scissor.
Diyan ka.
Ate, dapat.
Video.
It's not a TV. It's a TV. No, it's not. Okay. It's just a cage.
It's just a kid.
Oh no, I have no hands now. Daddy, it's my hand.
Can you pull it? The back.
What's that, bear? What's that, bear?
It cannot be.
Bakit binabawasan ng Facebook at saka YouTube yung quality ng video? Yung may anuhan ng udo. May readyhan na.
Tulungan na.
Yeah. In the morning, the were
Ay, parang
coloners.
mangyayari in the morning, in the evening.
Why?
Pag di
Bakit?
napakawalan. Mangyayari in the morning, in the evening po. Kuya, pull it.
In the evening, pakakawalan sila.
Okay. Oh. Put it down. Yan, lakas ah.
Wow. Oh, yes, simple it na.
Tulungan niyo to ah. Tulungan niyo to ah.
No, do not put the cardboard yung sa neck mo.
How? How to assemble this? Nakabukol. How? Wait lang kuya, do not force. This is your kulungan. Prongking the sun. Ikaw naman. Paano? It looks like our old.
Wow. That's,
Pagka ganito. Ano? Gaganito. Ito.
wow.
Amazing.
That's great.
It looks like the cage. Pagka ganito. Ito naman.
Wow.
Ganun lang pala siya. Ganito na pala kadali mag-assemble ng
No, that's not your house.
Ganito
It's
na pala kadali. This is the door. Tapo. Open the door. How can I open the door? Saka man yun. Open the door.
not on the top.
The door.
Kuya, sa ilalim yan. Lagay mo.
I open the door.
Kuya, lagay mo sa ilalim yung ano.
The door.
Oh, there's a lock. Lock. Okay. Lagay mo yung ano, yung box dito sa ilalim. Yung kanina. Paano mo siya tinanggal? Doon na, dito. Doon, the other side. Doon na. Oh. Saan ba siya? Ay, dito pala kanya.
I bring toys. I'm gonna bring toys.
Ay, toys. Bakit
I'm
lalagyan?
gonna bring toys.
Ayan. It's done.
Hindi siya pwedeng pahaba para yung pupo sa ilalim. Ay, hindi, no? Stop.
Ganyan talaga siya.
Okay lang.
There is a door at the top.
Meron din.
I got a toy.
No, it's not a toy.
Ito hindi ko ma-open kuya. Bakit mo
This is a toy. Toy for Kiki.
Baka may tinataas.
Wait lang kuya. Baka may dito. Yan. Okay. Dedeng!
Oh no.
Welcome home. Home sweet home.
Maybe open lang yan.
Home sweet home. Home home.
Dito na kayo nakatira. Hindi na
Wow,
pag-alak.
so nice. Ang laki pala.
Yan no. For the cat yan. It's not for your toys.
No,
No, no, no.
it's for
Ayan na
the
siya. Oh. Ayan na siya. Ayan na si Kojo. Ay, si ano.
Mommy, look at my toys.
Tasha, bakit na dito si Jack?
Maipit man ang lawas mo pag ikaw ano.
Do you like it?
Do you like it, Megan? Eh,
Dito sila papakain. No. Dito ilalagay yung plate ng Kiki's toys.
Hindi pantay pala. Hindi pa kaya ng kamay nila.
Gojo!
So, kailangan ng karton dun sa side na
Ay,
to.
hindi ba may curtain tayo dun?
O, ayan na. Pwede naman. Nakaupo naman sila.
Uy, kuya, yung hands mo.
Wow. Nakalak na kayo dyan. Paano pag na ano nila?
Okay lang. Bahay naman nila yun eh. Pwede silang labas-pasok dun. Magkasya kaya siya. Natatakot siya ako kasi yung tapakan niya hindi pantay.
I'll get the toys. No, go.
Takot din si